The key thing, I think in my role and where I add a ton of value is basically accelerating decision velocity across the company by implementing a process first where teams can see the data against the plan that they committed to. They know what's going right, what's going wrong, and where we should be making changes or really investing more into. And I think that's the sort of opportunity you miss if you don't have a process in place. But in order to have that process, you have to have fast, actionable data on the back end. I run finance at Rize Education. We build, develop, and sell career-oriented degree programs to small private colleges across the country. When I started, we had no true operating model that acted as sort of like the spine of the finances of the company. One of the biggest opportunities that I saw for myself was creating a solution where within one platform, I could manage budgets and a rolling forecast, and then provide information across the team with one click every month. Fast forward, I've implemented LiveFlow in a way that track our expenses, revenue, bookings. What I now have the ability to do is every single month, just hit refresh, and I have a whole system that flashes red, yellow, green for things that are beyond budget, above target, below target. And then I can give that data directly to our teams and compare against what our plan is. And it has saved me hours on a weekly basis to do that. The 5-year plan at Rize is to go from roughly 150 partners across higher education today to more than 500 partners, and with that scale to more than $100 million in revenue. I'm now able to do investor relations much more simply and quickly. We raised a Series B this past year, and the LiveFlow solution was pretty pivotal in how easy it was to share financials. Philosophically, I believe that finance teams really should be lean. And I see LiveFlow fitting in to the future of Rize really as the backbone of how we do FP&A. I think we have to have the right data at the tips of our fingers whenever we need it, and LiveFlow really enables that. I think if you don't have automated solutions like LiveFlow, you are likely falling behind and probably missing opportunities to invest your next marginal dollar in the right place.